What's up, guys? Hopefully my camera's set right. I'm in an old mining area. Got a can down there. Thing I want to see. I figured I'd just come in and look around. Oh, did you see that rabbit take off, guys? Looks like we got a stainless steel Contigo thermos of some sort. Okay, yeah, so what else we got laying around here? Some onions. There's some onions, guys. Got a piece of aluminum. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get in there and get that. I'm gonna try. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Okay. So here's a piece of aluminum, guys. Got some stainless steel, some aluminum. I did see a computer board somewhere briefly. Might take that little part on there. Might take that little part, guys, just to see if something I could use or not. I do want to get out of view for a little bit. There we go. I could use that little part in there. So we got a couple things, guys, that I'm just gonna leave. We'll leave them right there for now. Got my snips in case we come across any copper or something. There's a lot of shells back here. A lot of shells. Want some aluminum? Somebody's been shooting that. Somebody's been blasting that. Copper around here. We got a little copper piece right here. I'll throw that in the pock. It's a little piece anyways. Let's take a walk back here. See what we got back here, guys. That's freaking creepy looking there. That's creepy for sure. See what's going on back here. I should have brought a bag in case I do find some cans. I could just scoop them up and what do we got here? Color seal. A bunch of metal, crap metal over there. Paint cans. A bunch of paint cans. There's a bucket. I'm always got my eye out for some buckets. You know? Ugh. I don't even want to open that. You know, when you find these cans in the woods, you gotta watch for ants. There'll be a lot of ants sometimes in these cans. There you find. This is sticker bushes here. Ah! Okay, let me grab them. I need them, that's for sure. You know, guys, I've been hitting some I just wish I wasn't waiting. Like if I wasn't waiting for somebody to show up today, you know, I'd be out here for a while, just picking cans and whatever I could find, you know. Another can. Oh, you know, that's got a good amount of quartz on there. I might have to come back for that. There's a big can back in here, guys. Worth getting. You know, since I have a whole bunch to start with, I mean, it's worth going in. Sticker bush. It's not worth it, guys. Just so you know, I'm doing it for the video. I guess I'm taking one for the team or whatever you want to call it. Oh man. Gotta watch the camera. Oh, these sticker bushes are killing me here. No more sticker bush cans. That's for sure, guys. Truck going by. So it's a bunch of cans back here, to be honest with you. It's I'm not even going to take that one. See what's over here. It's like a big beer bottle. There might be a motor in here, guys. We might have a motor. Oh, we got some metal, a motor, some copper there. A lot of this stuff, unfortunately, guys, is frozen. A bunch of wood, that's it. An old paint can, a small spring. Alright, let's get out of here. Time to head out, guys. There's a piece of metal right there, but it's got a lot of plastic. Sometimes you find some nice pieces of metal in the woods. It's so cold, this might just bust apart, allowing that motor to pop right out. Like that. That's kind of what I'm looking for. It's got some batteries, but I just don't think I'm going to hold on to these type of batteries, guys. You know, I don't mind taking the motor, but if that was a different type of batteries, I would have definitely took it. Make sure we're filming. That's full of something, I don't know what. We'll go after this one right here, guys. That's full of something, guys. I don't know what. It looked kind of gross, you know what I mean? So let's get our cans. Nice big can. Nice big 24 ounce right here. That's got some stuff. That's how cold it is, guys. Any water that's in these cans, it's gonna be frozen. You know, it's just gonna be frozen. Oh, I think I see an iron, guys. Let's regroup right here. Let's go check this iron out, if it is an iron. I don't know. There it is. There we go. We got an iron, guys, in the woods. Find of the day, I guess. I think that's aluminum. I'm not sure. The bottom plate on here might be aluminum. Not sure. It's called a shark. So it does have a little busted. Got a little copper in there, you know. Not bad to clean up the woods a little bit. It's just carrying everything out, you know. So let me load this up, the cans. That's what I say. A nice bucket. A nice bucket would be good, guys, you know. Even something I could just, you know, fold up bag or whatever, just to squash cans in and throw them in the bag, you know. A couple cans back there. Look at that, huh? This tree's just shoved right in there. Ah. Stuff right here. What was that? I don't know. We got a car coming, guys. Oh, that's the mailman. So we got a couple of things, guys. Not bad. Oh, not bad for today. I can stop dropping everything. Okay, guys. Oh, get that in there. Goes a van. I thought I saw something over here. Oh man. It's a TV, there's a muffler, some type of fan down here, and a dead deer, guys. The deer's got to be frozen. I'll see what I could do. Sorry, deer. Sorry that had to happen to you. Looks like a monitor, guys. There is a piece of metal underneath it, though. A nice piece of metal. If I could get to it. Oh, oh man, it's just frozen. Looks like we got a cord on there. You know, I'd like to take that whole monitor, you know. And strip out that copper. You know, oh, that's all for another day, guys. Ugh. Let me see what we got here. See what I'm dealing with. Fucking leg of the deer. Let me. No, it's not the leg of the deer, guys. Let me get out of here. Gotta get this out of here. And we'll pass on all that other stuff. Got a fan motor. Some kind of strut. Oh, I watched my stick over there. Get that cable. And we'll get out of here. There we go. We'll get out of here for now. See what else we can find, guys, but I think that's gonna do it.